Hello Dave, I am Abdul Aziz. I live in Iraq and I currently study engineering. Electronics was my passion since I was a kid. My projects are usually limited to my hardware. Such an oscilloscope would be amazing and pretty useful for me. I currently have this old Philips PM3262. It's just an old, the screen flickers for about 10 minutes before it's even gets started. Uh, as you know, such a thing here in Iraq is pretty expensive. I bought this old Philips for about $370. My current project is to build the CO2 laser, and many side projects come with it. I currently am making a sputtering device to sputter the mirrors for the CO2 laser. Uh, Getting this oscilloscope would be a huge thing for me.